Hi everyone, this is the video for week 7 assignment. Now, if you look in your directions, in your assignment link where it has 1, 2, 3, 4 steps, it tells you exactly what to do, and I'm going to walk you through them as well. So we're at the week 7 assignment. You have the scenario. Down here is the link for more details on the assignment, and then you open this and it explains really well to you each step that you're supposed to do. Now, to begin the assignment, you have to open up the starter document. Please use the starter document. Don't make this more challenging than what it is. Okay, so there's the starter document, okay? And I have to hit enable editing. All right, so here's our document that we have to work with. It says open the start file and total the complaint data for each year in a total row using a formula. Now, a lot of students go over here. These are columns, okay? Remember a row, it's like a row in a theater. So we're going to type in the word total, and we're going to come over here and click in B32. Going to go up here to auto sum, and it highlights all the numbers that's supposed to be in there. Whoops. And there is an error because it's picking up the year. We don't want that. So you can do this one of two ways. You can either play with the mouse and get it to where you can grab it like that and pull down to 2006, or you can put in that you want to start at B2. So down here, see it says B1, change that and make it B2. And then you go back up and you can see it's already been moved down. Okay, and then you just hit enter. Be careful, okay? Click here, and then there's this little box right here in the corner. You have this fat cursor that looks like a big fat plus sign. If you go over that little box, it changes like that. Left click and hold, and you drag it over, and there's your numbers. Okay, and so, and next thing is format your data with a table style. This had to be done during the first part of the midterm, for midterm 1. Some of you got it right, some of you didn't. Shading is not a table style. So we're going to highlight this information. Remember, shading is not a table style. Go up here to format as a table. Remember, your main header rows are the first row where they have the dates and have the word category. You go through here and pick one that you like. I'm going to pick this one. It says you want A1 through D32. It has a header. Remember, these headers are not the header for the spreadsheet. It's just a header for the information. So you hit OK, and you click off, and you can see that you now have this formatted. Okay, and that's step number 1. Step number 2 is create a chart. You have to create a 3D pie chart. I'm trying to read this and talk to you at the same time. Of your first 6 categories. So you need the header because it's going to be part of your legend. All right. And then first 6. So you want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So down to clothing, textile, materials. Do not do, if you do this over here on the number, it's going to do that whole line. You don't want that. All right. So just left click and hold, drag over and go up. Okay. So you're going to insert a 3D chart. You've done this already once in another assignment. Come down here and it shows you the picture of what it should look like. You click on it and you have your pie chart. Remember, if you want to change colors, that's okay. I don't care. My granddaughter likes purple. My other granddaughters like blue. I'm going to do that because it kind of goes with it. So you have this. Move the chart to its own sheet. Now, you can go up here to move chart location. You can right click on it and say down here to move chart. Either one works. Okay. Move chart to location. You want a new sheet. And you can just say category chart, whatever you want to name it. I don't know. I don't care. And then if you look down here at the bottom, you have identity theft data, if you want to click it there, and the category chart here. To move it after the data, left click and hold. See that little folder and that arrow? And so now you have the data first and then the category chart. If you want to rename it, just right click on it and hit rename. And I'm just going to put a capital C where I have a lowercase. And then click off. It says make sure your chart includes a legend. It does right here. And a descriptive title. I didn't give a title yet. So if you click on this, basically you have a word box. Okay. So I'm just going to click in here. Okay, so first 6 category data. Click off. All right. And that's the whole thing. Okay. At least for that portion.